Now, Pichu, are you listening to me? We have to keep training if we're going to win battles. Got that? Are you even writing this down? Sure you know and everything. Sure. Writing this down? You're not writing anything down. Hey guys, Pichu Master here. As you see, we're going to start Pokemon Yellow. It's a very old game. Let's get started. Kyogre. Pokemon Professor. They finally use Pichu as an example. Classic. Pets? Wait a minute, so you're saying we use pets to fight each other's pets to get money? You study Pokemon. I know that. That's supposed to be me? New name. Got it. Okay. Rival sons. Huh. Since babies. What was his name again? Do Gary. Real Legend about to unfold. World Dreams and Adventures with Pokemon. Oh wait, let's go. Ooh. It looks almost exactly like Pokemon Red, Blue, and Leaf Green. Is that my mom? Yep. Said on TV that I'll leave home someday. And today's the day. Wait, am I allowed to wander? Oh. Random. That was close. Oh. Nope, you jinxed it. It's a Pikachu already. He's not even looking at him. I'm talking about the Pikachu. Could appear at any time in the tall grass. Yep, before protection. But for you, you study them. Like a genie. Oh. I'm not moving. Oh, what's that Pokemon? Maybe it might be Pikachu. Yeah, I call it Pokeball. How else are you supposed to catch Pokemon? Oh, nice, Gary. Calling Grumps. You're a mean person. I'll just take this Pokemon. Hey, I wanted him. Really, Pichu, I want this Pokemon. Gary matched the Pokemon. Gary, what are you doing? He wants this one. What Pokemon will I get? Okay. Oh, that's the Pikachu. But then if I'm in Pichu, what's that Pokemon? Do you want to nickname Pikachu? No. Okay, let me guess, we're gonna battle. Every time I hear that music, I know we're gonna battle. Yep. Gary wants to fight. Wait, that means like punching fight or Pokemon fight. Okay. Wow. Okay. Critical hit. Tail whip. Defense fell. Use another Thunder Shock. Critical hit again. Tackle. Oh god. Yeah. 3 lucky critical hits. Eevee fainted. Yeah, I'm level 6 now. Like all Pokemon games. And I learned Tail Whip. Defeated Gary. Yep, you picked up the wrong Pokemon. Finally a game I could start with my favorite Pokemon. That's not legendary. Bye. But what? Pichu gets following me. Can't wait to bring him to my house. He doesn't care at me right now. Soon you'll realize. I'm gonna let you explore my house. I'm gonna show my mom. If you drive Pokemon too hard, they'll dislike you. Oh, thanks. Now it's time to take grass. Oh. You gotta be kidding me. What is it? A Rattata. A level 2. Okay, Pikachu, use Thunder Shock. Don't want to use too much of it. Just trying to level up. This is a good idea to do that at the beginning of the game. Okay, keep going. Anyone here? There's nobody here. Oh, there's someone. Hey you, I want to battle you. Oh. I didn't know that was a battle. Oh, that was just a Pidgey. I didn't know it was just a Pidgey. Alright, this should be an easy fight. Super effective. Yep. Easy fight. Okay, now get out of my way. Where did I go? I guess I'll just go through grass. Pidgey again. The Pidgeys. Oh, it's a level 3 this time. What a difference. super effective. Ugh. What now? For not being... I was about to say better not be another Pidgey. It's another Pidgey. In the same level. Okay, another Thunder Shock. Good to try and level up. Doesn't work. Oh, we're finally at a city. Pokemon Center too. Even though my Pidgey didn't get that much hurt, this will be good. Heal. One Hope to see you again. My Pidgey's there. What's wrong? I know I was training you. No idea what's wrong. I must find out. What happened? What happened here? You can't go through here. This is private property. Okay. Oh, Pokemon Mart. Check it out. Get some Pokeballs. Came from Paltown? Who said that? Oh, you did. You know Professor Oak, right? Order came in. Would you like to take it to him? Parasol? Okay. Weird. You know Professor Oak had that, but now I have to walk all the way back there. Okay, let's have another adventure. Should choose another way. No, that way. Wrong room. Here. I am talented as a Pokemon trainer. Custom Pokemon Water things, Pichu. What? I don't want to battle again. Oh. Both of us? On the desk there are my invention, Pokédex. Oh, I could see him. You're right up there. I know it. Or those are, no, those are just books. Oh, no. They were the Pokédex. Mean. Makes sense. Like Pikachu. I'm not pushing you, right? Again, I have to walk all the way back there. Oh, so much Pidgeys. Maybe I should catch one. They seem very popular. Okay, thanks guys for watching this video. Like, subscribe. Go into this Pokemon Center first. Okay, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.